Last weekend, my family decided to try something normal for once and have a movie night at home, which in our household is code for let's see how fast we can argue about popcorn flavors. My little sister, Emily, showed up to the living room with a pair of kitchen scissors and a look of grim determination that I usually only see when she's about to win an argument with Dad about curfew. She announced she was finally going to give herself bangs, which I thought was a bold move considering the last time she tried to cut her own hair, she ended up with something that looked less like a hairstyle and more like a Wi-Fi signal. At first, it was mildly intriguing. She carefully sectioned off a bit of hair in front, pulled it down over her face, and eyed herself in the reflection of the TV screen, which was paused on a particularly unflattering frame of Nicolas Cage. We all watched in suspense. She snipped once, paused, then snipped again. There was a moment of silence, followed by a collective family gasp. She had cut a perfect diagonal slash, so one side was just above her eyebrow, and the other was somewhere around her left ear. It looked like the hypotenuse of a triangle had taken up residence on her face. Things escalated from there. My mom tried to even it out, which only meant the left side was now even shorter. My brother grabbed a protractor to help, and my dad started muttering something about Pythagoras wept. By the end, Emily's bangs were a geometric marvel, each lock of hair at a different length and angle, like a living bar graph of questionable decisions. Even the dog seemed concerned, refusing to make eye contact as she passed by. Emily stared at her reflection and said, "Well, at least now my forehead can finally answer a math question." When I asked which one, she deadpanned, "What's the square root of regret?" And honestly, judging by the new surface area, the answer is definitely, my entire forehead.